2023 Batch A Stream 1 core members, distinguished guests.
Just pick it. Just pick the rope.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Theresa. I'm a content creator based right here in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. And if you love what you see already, consider subscribing to this channel by just clicking that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to turn on post notification because that will notify you whenever I drop a new content on this channel, okay? And to my returnees, thank you guys for coming back to watch my video, okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. So if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, or recently I've been dropping videos about my camp experience. So I camped in Taraba State in Nigeria. That is for the 2023 Batch A Stream 1. So on this day, which was Friday 27th January 2023, we had our swearing in ceremony, and I was just like, let me carry you guys along, let me show you guys how it looks like, just in case you're watching this video because you are being posted to Taraba State. But you can check out my last video where I did a tour, and of course I'll drop the link up, and also I'll drop it in my comment section. I'll pin the link just in case you want to see how the camp looks like. So on this day we had a lot of activities, as you can see on your screen, and the most interesting was the tug-of-war, which was the war between males and females, of which we won. Okay, we rode the world, girls. We won. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
So the honor done to 2023 Batch A Stream 1 core members. Thank you, sir, for the honor done us this morning. Quickly, we want to two very distinctly different sets of competitors for this tug-of-war contest for 2023 Batch A Stream 1 core members, distinguished guests. It's going to be a tug-of-war like no other. On my left, I have
And the male couple represent the state coordinator. We have our judges are here. Thank God we have the chief judge. Please, sir, watch them, because this exercise will repeat it 3 times. So please watch the one that defeated this one to us. That's the winner. So please, let's pay attention as you want to start now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Get set. Ready. Just pick it. Just pick the rope. Are you get set? Get ready.
This is a flower.
Are you ready? Pick the rope. It's 1-1 now. We are waiting. Anyone that defeats now will be the winner.
Okay.
You can do it, ladies. You can do it.
Get ready. I won.
Okay.
Can we put our hands together? Now, God, His Excellency, represented by Revenue Commissioner, sir. Thank you.
Hope that it will be delivered to him to the glory of God and service of humanity. Sir, can we now unveil? Can we unveil? Okay. Just remove what is inside. The core members are saying the entire management and staff and core members in Taraba State wish our amiable father and executive governor of Taraba State, His Excellency Architect Darius Dixon Ishaku, FNIA, FNITPR, CON, a happy and prosperous 2023.
So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy filming it. If yes, and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe before you go, and don't forget to turn on post notification, because that will notify you whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.